Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I'm back again, guys, back in the business. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Just want to give you an update of what I'm doing in CBSU, Cash Building Systems Unlimited, guys. Joined this business 2 years ago, paid a one-time fee of $50, join it at higher levels so that way I can make bigger commissions on a second level. And for 2 years, guys, been mailing, been promoting, making videos just like the one you're watching now, posting on YouTube, making TikTok videos and posting on Facebook. And in 2 years time, guys, like money and checks are now rolling into my mailbox. All I'm doing, guys, this is the company's postcard right here. This is a 4x6 postcard. It explains everything. If you can drop a simple postcard like this in the mailbox, you can do this business. On the back of the postcard, it explains the business opportunity. People don't have to ask any questions about the opportunity, and the owner, it has a number on here where they can call the owner to get more information and all their questions answered. And it has all the levels that you come in and join on. So I'm not going to go over that right now. You can just go through my YouTube channel and where I explain the levels, the different levels you come in on and how you can make bigger commissions. But I also, this is what I designed personally. I have a 6x9 jumbo postcard, okay? This is a 6x9 jumbo postcard. Once people get this in the mail, they can't miss this postcard right here. It's flashy, it's big. I like the colors. It's black and yellow, and on the back it sends people to the website with my ID number. I have a system that does all the selling and telling for me, so even while I'm on vacation, guys, while I'm asleep, while I'm awake, whatever I'm doing, hanging out with my family, my system does all the selling and telling for me. If you are looking for something easy and duplicatable that anybody can do, this might be a good fit for you. Now, when I say easy, guys, what I mean by easy, that anybody can drop a postcard in the mail. That's what I mean by easy. Now, you're going to have to put some work in order for you to start earning some commissions with this opportunity. And that's anything. It's like you go to work, you don't work, you don't get paid. So same thing with your business. So treat it like a business. Anybody can drop these simple postcards in the mail. It won't take you away from what you're currently doing. You can set yourself a schedule. You can drop it off in the morning. You can drop it off in the evening. You can drop it off at nighttime. And whenever that mailman picks it up, they'll sort it and deliver it. And your job is done. When somebody's ready to sign up, Jay Dagan is the owner of Cash Building Systems Unlimited. He would get them signed up, mail them a kit out in the mail. And the power of this business opportunity, and what I love about it, is that once they start building a business, guys, you will still get compensated because you will move to position number 2. All right, so you move to position number 2. So once they start mailing their postcards and building their business, you will still get compensated and paid. That's what I love about this program. That's the power of. So just imagine if you find 5 people that can do what you do on a daily basis to build your opportunity. Now, if you can't mail out postcards, hey, just hand them out. Walk around to local football games, soccer games, basketball games, and you can just hand these flyers out. People are looking for a business they can do part-time. Times are getting tough, guys, so just get yourself out there, and that's all I do, guys. I drop it off, I post online, and when somebody's ready to sign up, my system does everything for me. But this video was dedicated to show you guys that me and my wife, we did receive some commissions in the mailbox, and I just want to share that with you guys today. So as you can see, guys, I got $25 in the mail a couple of days ago. So I got $25 in a couple of days ago. I also received $70, but I already put that in the bank. And also we got a check in the mail. As you can see right there, we got a check in the mail for $200. So that just lets you know the business does work, guys. If you're consistent and persistent with what you are doing, you can earn with this business, okay? As you can see, guys, $25, guys, that'll keep adding up, guys. Checks are getting bigger as people come into the system and come into the business opportunity. And when they start building their business, guys, guess what? We still get paid. All right, this is a $200 check right there, guys. So $225 in one day. You can't beat it, guys. That can help you to pay off some bills that are behind and help you take your next vacation. And hey, it can even help you make a car payment or an insurance payment, phone bill payment, keep food in the house, guys. Times are getting tough. So if you're looking for a simple, easy, duplicatable business that anybody can do, anybody can drop a postcard in the mail, go ahead and follow that link below this video right here. It'll take you to my system. Make sure you put in a good email address and a good name, guys, and see how my system works. If you have any more questions, on the inside of the system, it has my number. You can text me. You can email me if you have any more concerns or questions. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good night. Peace.